guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you some of the steps to getting a more plump and a more younger skin. Now the thing is that sometimes we have to massage, and in as much as you want your face to look glowing, to look sparkling, to look really smooth, you have to sometimes massage your face. It is compulsory. Okay, now when you massage your face, you're going to begin to see that your skin is going to get glowing, your skin is going to respond to treatment, and it's going to respond to anything you apply on it. So I'm actually going to be showing you some of the oil that is actually very important for you to use in massaging your face. And I'm also equally going to be showing you, like, are you serious? I said I'm also equally don't mind me. I'm also going to be showing you some of the steps in which you're going to follow, you know, to massage your face and have that glowing and a more smoother skin. So if you want to know how it is and what it is, let's dive in. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. So one of the very important oil for the face and for the skin is this, and you know what this is? This is shea butter. Now shea butter is a great oil that works wonders for the skin. This is actually what I actually apply on my baby's body. Basically, it helps her glow. It makes the skin really smooth, and it also helps to unclog the pores, leaving the skin really youthful and super duper young. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we are going to be grabbing a bowl, and then we're going to be taking the oil, shea butter, into the bowl, and then mash it a little to loosen it up. Yeah, you have to get a good shea butter because there are some fake shea butter out there. Okay, make sure that you get an original shea butter. So after this is done, we're going to be using rose water alongside with glycerin. Now, in as much as you want to massage your face, you equally need to tone up your face to have an even look, okay, a younger look. Okay, you also need to moisturize your face and give it that smooth texture. Rose water and glycerin is actually going to help you do that. Okay, it also calms the redness of the skin, and it also makes the ingredients work really well on the skin. So what I just put in there is about 1 tablespoon of rose water, and since it is rose water plus, you know, shea butter, it's actually going to be a little difficult to mix water and oil. You know what that means, but of course we're definitely going to be mixing this all up. It requires just a little bit of time and a little bit of patience for you to mix this, and you're going to see that the shea butter is just going to lose its thickness and the water is going to disappear, and everything is just going to be blended inside together. So I'm gonna be stirring it and giving it a little time for it to mix. But nonetheless, you can actually use a double boiling method to mix this really fast. So I'm gonna be doing that. So we're also gonna be needing carrot oil. Now if you don't have carrot oil, you can actually use the carrot juice itself. This is actually very important for the skin because it closes a large and open pores, and it makes the skin super duper young and glowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I am going to be putting about half teaspoon of this. Yeah, half teaspoon of this, and then I would have to mix it all up. Yep. Now this will enable the shea butter mix up really well. So you can see how it's beginning to loosen up. Now before you know it, the rose water is just going to disappear, and all of this treatment is just going to mix in one and give us that sweet texture. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is almond oil. And in your massage oil, you definitely do need almond oil. Okay, if you don't have almond oil, you have to go get almond oil because it helps so much. It contains vitamin E, which helps to create a glow on the skin, and it also, you know, give that shine. It makes your skin really polished. So I'm going to be putting 1 full tablespoon of the almond oil. This is almond oil. And then I would have to mix it up. And look at how it's loosening up. Okay guys, so here is your oil-based cream for massage, and you'd have to use this cream. It's actually very important. You can see how soft that is actually looking like. Yeah, very soft. Okay, so what you do is that you take the oil and then you rub it onto your face. Now the thing is that your face needs massage, no matter how smooth your face is. If you think your face, you don't have blemishes, you don't have problems, and you don't have all of that rubbish going on with your face, one thing you know that you need is that your face needs a whole lot of massage. Okay, so you would have to massage your face really good. Yeah. Okay, so what you do is that after you rub this oil, rub it onto your face really well. Your face is going to be looking really glossy and shiny. Now the first massage you need is a lift massage. Now this is actually going to help you to lift up your, you know, sagginess around your nose and your chin. Yeah, so what you do is to grab it like this and then you lift it up. So invariably I'm not using my finger, but I'm using this place, this place I'm using here. So just lift it up. Now first you lift this place up. You do the same thing here. Now as you do it, you're going to be feeling the pressure. Okay, you're going to be feeling the pressure. Now after that, then you have to use your hand like this. Okay, that's the second compulsory massage, and it's very soft. You don't need to be too rough onto your face. As you pick here up, you also go down and pick it up. Pick here up, you also go down. Alright, so for the eye area, you notice that there are some people who have difficulties around this place. Yeah, so what you do is that you massage it like this. Yeah, massage it like this to spread that place. Okay, so that if you have a wrinkle and all of that, fine lines, you know, wanting to build up, it will be gone. You do that the same thing here. And then this place, there's some people who have this lines around here. So what you do is that you just do it this way. Okay. Okay, it's just as simple as this. Just wait. Now if you do this every morning when you wake up, you're going to be seeing the improvements. Yeah. Now after you've done that, then you push your forehead up. Push it up. Okay, because it's going to give you that beauty when your forehead is pushed up. You apply a little bit of pressure. Alright, so after that, then you do your mouth massage this place, on this place. What you do is you took it this way. You first of all spread it and then you take it up. Rub, rub. Okay, now for the neck, guys. The other time I showed you how to massage, I did it downward, which is also very good because it has to be, the friction has to be up and down. Now what you do is to take it up. And then you do it at first. Okay, so after that, then you massage your whole face. And you are good, so you don't have to skip any of this massage that I just showed you. At least once in a week or once in 2 weeks, you massage your face, and your face is just going to be glowing and beautiful. Now after you've massaged, you don't need to leave too much of oil on your face, okay, in case you have an oily skin. So you have to use a toilet soap to wash some of the oil out. Except you have a dry skin, that's when you just leave the oil, so it could moisturize your face really, really well, and you're good to go. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. It is simple. It's sometimes very funny when you are in the bathroom and doing like this. It's very funny. My husband do laugh at me sometimes, but I do that because it helps me so much. It helps to calm the nerves of my face, and it helps blood circulation, and then before you know it, your skin looks so sparkling. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.